pH scale. We were discussing about pH. pH is equals to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. What will be the pH values in general at 25 degrees Celsius, acidic solution, basic solution, all these points we were discussing in part 1. In this part 2, we'll go with dilution and etc. For example, you have some acids, and if you want to go for dilution, that means to the acidic solution you are adding water. In all such kind of cases, the pH value will increase. For acids on dilution, pH value increases. Okay, that may be a weak acid or that may be a strong acid. It generally increases. So, pH is equal to initial pH on dilution if you are using initial pH plus log V2 by V1. Final pH is equals to our resultant pH after adding water dilution is equals to initial pH plus log V2 by V1, where V1 is initial volume, V2 is final volume. pH is equals to initial pH plus log V2 by V1. Note this formula. Otherwise, what I can give you the simplest is 10 times dilution. We are discussing about acids. Exclusively acids we are discussing. For every 10 times dilution of an acid, pH increases by 1 unit. 1 unit increase in pH. For all strong acids, if you can easily consider this one. For 100 times dilution, 2 units. For 1000 times dilution, 3 units. What is the meaning of this? For example, 0.1 molar HCl is there, 10 ml. 0.1 molar means what is the pH? 1. 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1, minus of log 10 power minus 1 means 1. Now, to this, what you are doing is you are adding 90 ml water. So, total it will become 100 ml. This is said to be 10 times dilution. 10 ml became 100 ml means 10 times dilution. When 10 times dilution is there, pH increases by 1 unit. This one will become 2 now. 90 ml when water is added to 10 ml. So total became 100 ml. That means 10 times dilution. pH increases by 1 unit. One more example you see. pH is equals to 2. Like this 10 ml is there. You are adding 990 ml water. So total becomes 1000 ml. 10 ml to 1000 ml means this is 100 times dilution. When it is 100 times dilution, pH increases by 2 units. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 is the final pH. Final pH will be 4. That means for every 10 times dilution of an acid, the pH increases by 1 unit. If you want to know about bases, same rule. 10 times dilution, pH decreases by 1 unit. 100 times dilution, 2 units. 1000 times dilution, 3 units. But remember one important point. For example, pH is equal to 5 is there. Acids, HCl acid for example. And you are having 100 times dilution. So for every 10 times dilution, pH increases by 1 unit. For 100 times dilution means pH should increase by 2 units. So you may write 7. But at 25 degrees Celsius normal conditions, 7 means it is neutral. Whatever the dilution is, acid is always acid. Whatever the dilution is, acid is always acid. So when it is given, you need to mention that is less than 7, like 6.9. But don't mention 7. And sometimes even this question also, pH is equal to 5 is there, 1000 times dilution. 1000 times dilution, pH is equal to 5, HCl is there, 1000 times dilution means 3 units to be increased. 3 units to be increased means 5 and 3 total will become 8. Don't write 8. because HCl cannot have pH is equal to 8 under normal conditions of temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius. So what you need to do is again less than 7, between 5 and 7 you can say, or you can say very close to 7, because that is almost neutral, not exactly neutral, but that is almost neutral. This type of question we were discussing even in the last session one also. You can just go through with that one. So for every 10 times dilution, the pH of the acid increases by 1 unit. For the pH of the bases decreases by 1 unit. And remember, always you are using the normality concept only, not molarity concept. Remember that point very, very clearly. Remaining points we will discuss in session 3.